Hello, in this lesson I want to show you more paragraph features. I am on my home ribbon. In the paragraph group, there are three more features. This one is called shading button, this one is the borders button, and this one is the sorting button. We are going to go ahead and start with our first paragraph on the screen. And what we are going to do is apply a background color to this entire paragraph. But there is one thing you need to know. The computer actually, when you are working with paragraph features, will look the hard written at the end of the paragraph and apply it there. Well, if you are confused about, well, where is that paragraph mark, that hard written, let's go ahead and turn on that codes. So again, home the ribbon. In the paragraph group, right here is my show codes button. When I activate that, now you can see a little paragraph mark at end of each of these paragraphs. So paragraph features will apply to the entire paragraph until I'll see the paragraph mark. I'm going to go ahead and leave those on for this lesson. And we are going to go ahead and apply a background color. Alright, so I am just clicked into this paragraph. I don't have to highlight the whole thing. And right up here, hit the drop down arrow and watch a paragraph. When I float my mouse around these colors, you can see the background change accordingly to whatever color I am selected on. It's really nice because I will go ahead and select this one. It does a complete rectangle color shade behind that paragraph. Great way to highlight a title. Now, as compared to a line highlighting, I will just select the little section right over here. There we go. Here is my highlighter. I will just select any of these and I will select this one. That just selects certain words, will highlight certain words, but the paragraph will actually select and highlight the entire paragraph. Alright, the next one is borders. When I click on this one, same rule. I don't have to select the entire paragraph, just have to click into the paragraph because the border feature will find the entire paragraph and apply the border. So keep your eye on that second paragraph as I just float my mouse on it, as there is a bottom border and the top border, left border, right border, all borders look at this one. And that's how you put a perfectly line thin rectangular square, nice thin rectangular around your paragraph. Okay, the next one is sorting button. Alright, I'm going to alphabetize this list. We used to have to this manually, but we have this very awesome sorting tool right here. In this particular case, because each line ends with a paragraph mark, I actually do have to select my entire list that I want to be sorted. Now, when I let go, the minibar pops up, but it doesn't have the sorting on it. I colored those words red, so you will see they will sort it properly. Alright, it's really easy. Home ribbon, paragraph group, sorting button, hit that and notice it says sort by paragraphs with a drop down arrow. Always click those drop down arrows. Continue to learn, continue to read what else is in there. You will become a better computer user. Yes, I do want to sort by paragraphs. I do want to sort text, not numbers on date. And ascending means A to Z. Descending would mean Z to A. Alright, I will go ahead and click OK. Keep your eye on this list and there you go. Perfectly sorted without me having to rearrange words manually. Alright, I hope that helps you. Please use those. I will see you in next video. Thank you.